space, our space department started working on to this part. Again, it will be, depends upon the laser diodes and the modulation technique and everything. So that we have already started this type of development approach. So this is one of the line of sight communication is also regarded. And if you look, the battlefield, the part leader is going to be one of the most thing, starting from the what is the going to be the atmosphere and how you are going to characterize the atmosphere, and then how you are going to put them into spaceborne different applications. This is also one of the things where indigenously we have already developed, and that is also in the place. In the space segment, you could see that there are many applications starting from the communication. We can put also laser weapon into the satellite, which you could see, and that can also engage some of the target. You can have also laser propulsion. That is also another new topic is also coming up. And satellite handling as well as debris management. You could also clean up, just like you are cleaning your room. Space is also becoming crowded. You will find there are many visitors, many challenges. If space has to be clean. So using the laser beam is also possible to clean the space. So this is one part. And then ultimately lasers in the missile. So missile you could find all electronics component, RF components, but that can be replaced by the laser. The navigation system, it uses the ring laser gyroscope and now fiber optic gyroscope. We replace with all mechanical gyroscope. And the control system, we require a red gyroscope. They are all mechanical now replaced by fiber optic gyroscope. The guidance it uses the RF seeker at present is being replaced by laser seeker, and warhead also uses laser proximity tube, and warhead also can be to a high power laser, and with the directional warhead we can let. So the you could see the entire missile system with powerful control and guidance. The entire things can be replaced by high power laser and low power lasers are now. Safety wise, when we talk about the power, it is essential that we should know if it can drill a 20 mm, 10 hole. When you are standing in front of that, if you are not careful, what will happen? It cannot be repaired. So in these cases, the safety is very, very important. You are making the laser, that should put many safety aspects there to put it, starting from target locking, starting how the lasers are scattering. If there is a loss, it will be careful because all the lasers are getting scattered around and that is going to create a problem. In Indian defense point of view, we are very much into these laser applications. You could see that we are using this laser for all our uh, counter drone system. We are using for our laser fencing where the dense forest you cannot enter. We are also doing the communications for our satellite applications, and at the end, we are also looking at the countermeasures of the lasers. So these are the few things which we are working. So the challenges are many for us because we never thought drones are going to be so dangerous. Unless the war would not have started, we would not have known. So they are very dangerous. We do not have a arm and ammunition. Suddenly, the weapon system or the lasers which in the lab, everybody is in demand. That many lasers are also not available. So, like we talk, what is the when you put up these things, research you do that is fine. But when you are going to manufacture the CFO of the company, you are going to ask what is the profit I'm going to get. So, in that cases, most of our laser program in India is worried in the profit and loss business. We did not have a goal from it. And I could see last 30 years. I did not find whom I see nowadays. I'm seeing little bit glamour of little bit, not that much photonics community. But every time you look at photonics businessman, they look like a scientist. So the main reason is they never had a profit in the photonics business. They never. I did not see. They are very rich. Photonics business are laser are very tight. Other than Madam US. So, so in these cases, our challenges are there unless until you manufacture those components or your friends over here, they are here, you are not, they depend upon you, you depend upon them. It is not one side. It is not that one side, you always buy from them. If that type of trend is there, you will never, that is the challenge. It should be dependence, should be two side. And Atmanirbhar, it cannot be this, whether it is aerospace or it is a defense, everything you cannot make. You cannot make component, you cannot make material, you cannot make systems, everything cannot make. It is a interdependency has to be developed and profit and loss has to be put. And the rest of the things I think I should not spend time. And how the defense is helping two sectors, DRDO or defense R&D is helping to. We are helping a lot to our academy. We are having more than 15 center of excellence in all IITs, all the places. And from starting from 2000, last 10 to 15 years, we have built more than 15, 16 centers. And we could see that the DRDO also created many, other than the PSU, public sector defense unit, we have started a MSME that part. Some gentlemen ask, what do you mean by MSME? Also, but medium small scale industry we say, but total part. And then we have done license more than 1,000 license of our personal part. And we have also many team we have models we have generated so that it can go to support all the thank you very much. I think I exceeded my time of 15 minutes. And thank you. And we have a exciting thank for the organizer giving me a opportunity to talk. And thank you very much.
Very much, sir. And sir, we are seeking your kind gesture in our panel discussion also. We have a seat. And again, another guest, I would like to introduce Dr. Rajan Modi, sir, Senior Consultant General Surgeon, Laser Laparoscopy and Nautical Specialist. Dr. Rajan sir stands among Mumbai's most esteemed surgeons, celebrated for his expertise in general laser and laparoscopy surgery, as well as his commitment to innovation and mentorship. Over 37 years experience, he has performed more than 30,000 successful surgeries and transformed their life with over half a billion consultations. He is amongst the top laser and laparoscopic surgeon of the city. As the medical director of Kapadia Multi-Speciality Hospital and the very famous Wound and Vein Clinic, he strives to bring excellence. Dr. Modi organized regular laser workshop training sessions, attracting renowned faculty from across the globe and nurturing the next generation of surgical talent. His mentees and fellows now practice worldwide and testament his impactful teaching. Dr. Modi is also a valued collaborator, often assisting Mumbai's leading surgeon with complex cases where his skill is minimally invasive and laser surgery is matched beyond his professional accomplishment. So we welcome sir to as a panelist and our another guest Mr. Chetan Srinivasa, more than 12-year experience professional with a solid foundation in the metal sheet industry, diploma sheet metal and BTech mechanical engineering, transitioning to IPG photonics. I would like to welcome sir to provide you to exclusive opportunity to apply expertise to innovative projects and now serve as a business development manager for electric vehicle projects at IPG Photonics Limited, and his role is the leveraging high power laser technology, as sir also discussed in discussion for EV sector. So please welcome our panelists. The big round of applause so that we can welcome them. And we have some quick question after this panel discussion. We have small break for the lunch also. So first we'll come to the sir, Jagannath sir. So you covered most of the parts, sir. I actually I have put lot of questions, but you covered lot of questions already. But I would like to ask first question to you. What advancement are being made in laser-based missile defense system?
I think this is most important question. I can say that you see the as I told before that 2000 worldwide, 2011 or 10, US started testing the airborne 1.2 megawatt chemical laser loaded in the aircraft for the missile defense and our leg. But after that, it was found that this is not very economical and for battlefield deployment, that type of weapon was not suitable. So after that, there are a lot of deliberation. Other countries also made, but most of the country put it ground mobile. And as you know, that lasers are getting highly attributed in the ground mobile ground to air operations. So in these cases, it is essential that one should have a high power laser and the power should not be less than around 300 kilowatt. It depends upon what is the distance and how much power you need. So with different type of tactical guided missiles and cruise missiles, you require minimum of 100 kilowatt. 100 kilowatt is touch and go, and that will going to give around 5 to 10 kilometer range. And 300 kilowatt go beyond the 50 to 20 kilometer range. So that is the range kind of a requirement is there. So if you look for the missile defense, it is more like a short range defense than long range defense. And if you are going to go for missile defense, then it should be airborne ammunition, where your the weapon should be placed or all the engagement should happen at altitude more than 10 kilometer. Right? So most of the places the missile defense is in the research phase at present. That is what I would say.
Sir, Dr. Rajamoli sir, we have seen your huge experience, 30,000 successful surgeries, and you really know the advancement of lasers. So please tell me about your experience with the lasers in surgeries.
So, laser has been discovered since last 60 years and it has invaded almost every part of the human uh, being. However, in medicine also, there is no field of medicine where lasers are not used. And it has become a very cornerstone, fundamental, and omnipresent science in modern medicine. And therefore, laser has become very important and it has a wide range of applications. It has become a diagnostic as well as therapeutic tool. In what I mean to say is that it can be used to find out what is the problem and also it can be used to how to treat that problem. So it has become a very major role in modern medicine, I would say.
And we have a person from automotive industry, Chetan Master sir. So first, I would like to ask one question: How laser being used to improve manufacturing quality in automotive production?
Laser, laser is being widely used in all the application. When it comes to automobile, like we speak more about precision. So we need to have very precise cut. So, and you need to have a precise weld and precise marking. See, when we see the modern world, when the automobile is moving, like, it's getting better every day. So we also should have a technology to make it better. Like initially, when we used to have a cut, like we have to cut it very precise and make it press. So here, first thing, we have to save a lot of material. So when we have a precise cut, we'll not have the wastage of material. Then it comes to a welding. So we used to carry a lot of load, like we used to use a filler material, etc. When before, like traditional welding applications, which is like TIG or MIG. So here we need not to use any filler material. We can do a fusion welding, which can reduce the weight in the automobile. So these are some insights where these things.
Family or Kerala, when advantage earlier. But if you see nowadays, the translator is available. So that communication is